Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean a K&N air filter. Yeah, it's pretty easy. But before we get into this video, please hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment after finish watching this video. You can share it out as well if you want to help your boy out. So anyways, I'm in my car right now. I'm in my 2008 Toyota Avalon, and the AC is on because it's hot outside. But let's get into it. Let me shut it down and pop this hood open. Let me switch my camera around as well, show you guys how dirty my air filter looks. Here you go. Alright, so I'm in the 2008 Toyota Avalon. I'm using the K&N air filter. The other ones is missing, so it's no big deal. Move this. Hopefully you guys can see it. And remove it. And remove it. And pull it out. No biggie, just pull it out. Alright. So this is the top. This is the clean side. And I'm gonna show you guys the dirty side, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a no. This right here will cause engine problems, poor performance. This will cause the engine to work harder. Poor acceleration as well. When you step on the gas, the car hesitated to move, and also it will cause fuel consumption. So we're gonna clean that up. Man, look at all that mess that I left while pulling it out. See that, guys? I'm gonna have to clean that, probably clean the inside there as well too. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you guys what to do. This is really dirty. Ew. Alright, so let's close this down. Thank God that I have a washable one. You know, this is washable. And lock the door, camera back on me. So yeah, this will cause engine issues. You know, it make the engine work harder. It will burn gas. You will burn gas. Look, this supposed to be the airflow. You know, the engine's supposed to be breathing. You know. But yeah, cause you will burn a lot of gas with a dirty air filter. So I'm gonna clean this up, show you guys how. You don't have to get the reusable one. You could buy one for maybe about 10 or 12 bucks, maybe on eBay, maybe on Walmart. Check online, Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, any one of them, you know. The shop online. So I'm in the house now. Whew, it is burning up outside, guys. So going upstairs. Ooh, it is hot. So move this, put that over there. All right, so right here, what I'm gonna do, turn it this way, turn on my lights so you guys can see. And I'm gonna be using Dawn, guys, to, you know, remove all that grease, dirt, grime, whatever you want to call it. I did a video as well on my other channel, Night Auto Car Care, when I cleaned the cabin filter. This one is the air filter, so yeah, guys. This is what we're gonna do. Got that dirt already. this will let your engine have a lack of performance. You don't feel as smooth as how it used to. Slow acceleration, all of that, you know. So just take your time, you know. That's a good thing about this K&N. It's washable, it's reusable. I think it's like $50 plus tax online or in stores as well. I don't know if the price went up, but you could buy some other brand. Look at it already, guys. It's already cleaning up already. You could basically get some other brand for like 10 or 12 bucks, and then every year you're supposed to basically buy a new one and replace it. But since I bought this one for like $50, this is washable, this is reusable, you know, no big deal. Every year, just make sure you do the same thing. If you don't, you're going to be burning a lot of gas, a lot of fuel, and you don't want that, and you don't want to ruin your engine because you're putting more stress on your engine, you know, killing the performance. Supposed to have enough airflow to the intake. Alright. I might have to add some more soap. Yeah, I might have to add some more soap. Get all that removed. Alright. You know, just take your time. You know, there's no rush. Try to remove all the suds. Coming along, looking pretty good. So I basically use the Dawn soap is to remove all the dirt, the oil, everything. Pretty good. Really good, actually. Hi guys, this is the outcome. This is the top and this is the bottom. Not bad at all, huh? Look way better than how it was looking. It was really dirty. Nice and clean now. Now gotta make it sit and dry. So let it take its time and dry. No need for nothing, no force dry, no nothing. Let it just take its time and air dry. So give it maybe about 30 minutes to an hour till it's completely dry. Alright guys, it's been about 2 hours. So What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spray the top first, and then I'm gonna turn it around. So here I have the oil, the filter oil, restore filter efficiency, as you can see, and it's in different language as well. Can't remember how much I got it for, but you do your best not to try to spray too much. Take your time. That should be good. Miss any spots, you know. You don't want to wet it down with too much of the oil. We're like a few inches away while you spray. That should be good. Like I say, you don't wanna overdo it with the oil. So I'm gonna leave it out here to dry some more, and then I'm gonna install it back into the vehicle. And of course, you just wipe off the excess oil that's on the side. Alright guys, as you can see, there's some dirt in there. I'm gonna just use a microfiber cloth. It's damp as well. I'm gonna just wipe it out. Yeah, I'm gonna just wipe out that dirt, that extra dirt that's in there. And I'm also gonna wipe off the battery too, because when I was taking out the filter, all the dirt got on the battery. So yeah. Alright, so I basically clean it up. As you can see, as you guys can see, it's spotless in there. I tried to turn on my light as well so you guys can see properly. You guys can see how it is in there. Yep, did my thing. So, and the battery as well. Got the Die-Hard Platinum battery. Good to go. And I'm gonna install the filter. Alright, time to put back in that filter. So we're gonna just slide it in. No biggie. Just slide it in. Just like so. Feel me? You guys could see. Just like that. No big deal. Then under there. Make sure it's in correctly. Right here got a little crack. You gotta be careful with that part. Make sure it's sitting in properly under there, as you guys could see. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys could see the glare from the sun. This part right here got to be underneath. So once it holds, you push it down. This is how you lock it in, by pulling it up. It's locked in. And the same with this one. You make sure this part go underneath. That right here. Make sure it holds behind there underneath to lock it in. So therefore you have it like this, and then you just push it up and it's locked in properly. Everything is good. Boom. That's how you install it. It is hot out here. About to turn it on and everything. And we're gonna take a little drive, you know. drive around the complex. I'm gonna let you know how it feels. Let you guys know how it feels and everything. Alright, I'm back in the vehicle. Look at me. I'm drenched. As I said, it's hot. Got my AC on. We're gonna take a little drive here. Let you guys know how it feels. New air filter install. I could definitely feel my acceleration. It's way more better. It was clogged up. It was really clogged. So my acceleration, put on my seatbelt. Yeah guys, my acceleration is way better. It's more easier. It's like it's breathing now. Yeah. I should be saving. What is this foolishness? What is this foolishness right here? See this, guys? This right here don't make no sense. No sense at all. I'm not gonna even. Let me see if I can reverse back in one of these spots and turn around, because I don't know what they're doing. I don't know if they try to dump trash or what, but that's the mode it could do. Like, how you gonna block the road? Alright guys, so as I said, my acceleration is easy. The intake, man, it's beautiful. I love it. Woo. Yeah guys, once you take care of your vehicle will take care of you. That's how you basically clean. That's basically how you clean your K&N air filter and install it back into your vehicle. And all vehicles use an air filter for that air intake. Majority, all of them, you know. So all vehicles. Yeah guys, that's how you clean your air filters. K&N, the washable, reusable one. That's how you basically get it done, guys. Pretty easy. Pretty simple job. Now I wouldn't be burning that much gas no more because it's not dirty, it's clean. So the engine is basically breathing freely by taking in the air. So I won't be burning gas that fast no more. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and have a blessed one until I upload another video. Peace.